Hello, I'm Angus here at the Bureau of Meteorology. Today is Friday the 1st of September, which makes it the first day of springtime. And this video is going to look at the weather for the weekend ahead. So the first couple of days of spring, and it's a fine start for most. Not quite everyone, but a lot of places lining up for some sunshine this weekend. This is our kickoff point. This is the pressure pattern across Australia for midday on Friday. This is Australian Eastern Time. And the dominant feature at the moment is this high pressure area. So this is the centre of it, where the H is, but really the influence of the high goes all with these isobars which are circled around that H, spreading out across much of the country. So how does that change over the next couple of days? Well, only gradually really. We expect to see the high slowly drift eastwards, meaning more fine weather. The storms from earlier in the week along the east coast have gone. They're out to sea and they're weakening away, although we might see one or two further showers along the coastal fringe of New South Wales and southern Queensland. Aside from that, you've got to go a long way to see any further rainfall. You've got to get right across to the other edge of the country. There is a front making its way towards Perth. It's going to arrive in Western Australia either late on Saturday night or first thing on Sunday morning, bringing a little bit of rain with it, bringing some cooler temperatures with it, and also bringing some very large waves. So not a lot of rain around the country over the course of the weekend. We will take a look at the rainfall totals though. This is the full map of rain all weekend, all thrown onto one map. Barely anything except in this corner, so we'll zoom in for a slightly closer look. We could see 25 millimetres of rain around coastal parts just in the corner from Perth around to Albany, but outside of that it's much less. Single digit rainfall is expected across the wheat belt and most of the agricultural areas in Western Australia, probably less than 10 millimetres. And I know you're looking for rain at the moment. It's been a dry winter, wanting more rain. This is not really the weather system to bring it. It's only a little top up. So without too much rain on the horizon, how about temperatures this weekend? This is a look at Saturday's maximum temperature, where we move from the yellow shading into the orange shading. That's 30 degrees plus. Broad regions of Western Australia 30 degrees, and a lot of Queensland more than 30 degrees as well. Mid-20s through many in the centre, including a lot of northern New South Wales, but it is cooler down in the southeast, and in fact it's going to be quite a cool start for the weekend. A frosty morning possible for Tasmania, Victoria, ACT and southern New South Wales, with maximum temperatures on Saturday in the mid or upper teens. Into Sunday, we're going to see that area of warm 30 degree plus really smear out across the middle of the country. Broad regions all through here over 30, and if you're not 30, you're high 20s through most other areas. Does get cooler in the southwest with that cold front coming through, and it's a little bit warmer in the southeast, about 20 degrees across Victoria for Sunday, blazing sunshine for most down there, and just a touch cooler across Tasmania. And just because the temperatures stay high on Monday, we'll take one extra look into Monday. Broad regions of 30 to 35 degrees through central and eastern parts, including northern New South Wales, upper 20s through the rest of New South Wales and a lot of South Australia, and we're in the low 20s down here in the southeast. So plenty of fine weather, including some good looking barbecue weather for Father's Day on Sunday. Maybe a good idea to get out with Dad there. If you want the detail for your neck of the woods, you can go to bom.gov.au, you can go to the BOM Weather app and make sure to check up on our social media channels.